welcome back to my series of cooking from the cookbooks I already own, and this one is a banger. We are making a cauliflower cream pasta from Thug Kitchen, now known as Bad Manners. Now this is super simple ingredients, I just forgot to put the milk in this video. Now I'm pretty excited because we're using cauliflower for this recipe because normally I use nuts when making a vegan cream sauce. The recipe also suggested doing a roasted bell pepper or doing some broccoli, and guess what? I'm going to take up their offer and do both. I'm using Catelli protein pasta because I wanted to add a little bit, and also I'm steaming some broccoli and adding it to the sauce because I have lots from the bag. Now I'm doing the broccoli, adding all the ingredients to the blender, chopping up the things, doing all my thing. Very simple, easy. Woo, you're so excited. I know. A little miso, salt, blend it up. Perfection. Now I'm chopping up more spinach, and yeah, I'm putting it into the already cooked pasta so it can kind of wilt as it is cooling. And yeah, I'm adding the sauce. Mine's green because of the spinach. Perfect for St. Patrick's Day? Maybe. Big handful of nutritional yeast because I'm vegan. And hey, check out this delicious dish.